understand that we are not defined by our circumstances, but by our relationship with God. I say it again, we are not defined by our circumstances, but by our relationship with God. Even in the difficult times, when you feel low and you feel helpless and you feel hopeless, we need to know that the suffering isn't the final word. It isn't the be-all and end-all. Author J.R. Nost wrote, "Life doesn't get better, you get better. Life doesn't get better, you get better. When your life gets better, everything else starts to fall in place and it gets better." We try to live sometimes, we live our lives from the back to the front, which is not supposed to be. We're supposed to work on ourselves first and then everything else. We try to paint this beautiful picture, this facade of how beautiful life is, of how great I am doing. It's all about the Insta stories of what I can post online. We don't focus on ourselves, on our own hearts, on our mental, our psychological, our physical well-being. When life pins you down, you need to work on yourself. You get better first, and then everything else will fall into place.